Hey everyone, it's me, Kirk Mastin from Mastin Labs, and I'm here to help you nail those beautiful portraits and get the expressions you've always wanted from your subjects. The idea of the 3 feet of peace is that you only need a 3-foot square of clean background and good light to make a powerful portrait. I've already talked about needing the right background in my first video. The second crucial thing you need is open shade. You need non-direct, natural light, preferably coming from the front of your subject, but not primarily from above. The easiest way to find this light is to shoot under an awning or overhang with your subject facing the light either head-on or at an angle. The sharper the angle, the more contrast you'll have in the portrait. You can also use a large tree, a building, or something in an open space without much going on behind your subject to get that open shade. I've got a lot more tips and tricks for you, so be sure to check out our YouTube and also follow along here for further things that are going to really improve your photography.